I have 10 amazing surprises that I got this Christmas, and I want to share that with you today. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a very exciting day because apart from the fact that I'm back from holiday, I have 10 amazing surprises that I got this Christmas, and I want to share that with you today. So shall we dive straight in? So the first and probably the most exciting item I got this Christmas for myself, which you've probably seen on my channel if you watch my previous video, is my Birkin cargo in the size 25 in the color Noir with palladium hardware. Now I can't tell you how incredibly excited I am to finally have added this bag to my collection. I had this bag on my wish list from Hermes for over 3 years. Exactly this bag in these exact specs, black with palladium hardware. So this bag is made from canvas and swift leather. Just going to show you, it's like a canvas material with swift leather. You know, this January, this bag has literally been with me everywhere. I went to Paris with this bag, I traveled to Dubai with this bag, and I wore it for like almost 2 weeks that I was there in Dubai. Also, my recent trip to Budapest that I literally just came back from yesterday. And what I love the most about this bag is the practicality. I mean, this bag goes so well with my style. It's very practical. You've got these pockets where I love to throw like random things inside. You know the drill. Sometimes I will put my card here or at the back pocket as well, but I just love the effortless nature of this bag. I mean, I love Hermes bags so much. I collect quite a few of these bags in my collection, but this bag in particular, I just love the design of it. It's very my style. It just instantly elevates so many of my outfits. I love Hermes very much. I love their craftsmanship, and the beautiful thing about this bag honestly gets me so excited to dress up every single day. You know, it has the original Birkin structure, but these outside pockets, you've got some pockets on the side, and you can just slot in your lipsticks and whatever you want to reach for easily. I think if Jane Birkin was alive in 2026, she would definitely love the Birkin cargo. I'm really just grateful that the Birkin cargo found its way to me and my collection. I love it so much. The next exciting piece that I added to my closet recently is my Chanel tweed jacket. This one is from the fall 2025 Fall-Winter 2025 collection. I love it so much. I feel like when you think quintessential Chanel pieces, the black Chanel tweed jacket is like a no-brainer, you know? Gosh, this jacket weighs a ton. That was like an arm workout. And this black collar I went for is a classic because it can go with so many pieces in my wardrobe. I've worn this jacket a ton, like dinners, events, that sort of thing. And I'm looking forward to wearing this a lot more because this is a piece that I will reach for time and time again. Dressed up, dressed down, with jeans, a dress. It just works. And look at that. They go perfectly together, don't they? Love that. Now the next piece I got, which you've probably seen, gonna give you a little hint. Sort of matches my Christmas tree, doesn't it? The Cartier Benoit watch. Cartier Benoit, however you want to pronounce it, depending on where you're from. This is the Cartier Benoit watch with a green leather alligator strap and pavé diamonds. So when I got my Panther watch at the beginning of 2025, I put the Cartier Benoit watch on my wish list next, and I received this watch late November of 2025, which was when it was available. Now, the Benoit is an absolute classic. I love Cartier timepieces so much. I love the history behind them. I love the craftsmanship. I've also received a ton of compliments on this watch. I see a lot of these watches in London. You only have to stroll through Mayfair and you see like a lot of beautiful watches in Mayfair. I think a lot of people here have incredible taste and want to be a part of something amazing like the Cartier Benoit watch. I love it so much. And what makes this watch quite special is the diamond bezel and the alligator strap. I just feel like makes it so versatile. It makes it perfect for formal look, evening looks and events and that sort of thing. And I'm very grateful that this watch made its way to my watch collection. Now, on the topic of Cartier, I have to show you another special piece that I'm loving so much. From the size of the box, you can probably guess what it is. I got something that I've been wanting for a while now, and it is... This is the Cartier Clash earrings in the size small. You can probably see that I have a Cartier Clash ring and the matching bracelet as well, but I didn't have these in my collection, and I very much appreciate a matching set. I just feel like, well, it makes you look a lot more put together, I'll say. It just takes the guesswork away, you know? So these are the earrings, the Clash. I hope you can see that properly. I might put them on actually because right now I'm currently wearing earrings are quite similar. I very much love small hoops. I just find them so flattering. And because I'm on a mission to building like my dream Cartier jewelry closet, I inquired about the Clash necklace as well. There's a particular style that I want from the Clash collection, so do stay tuned, because as soon as the Clash necklace that I'm after is available in my boutique, I will be getting that and unboxing it for you guys on my channel. The next piece I'm going to show you. On my way to Dubai from Heathrow Airport, I decided to stop at Louis Vuitton to pick up one of my favorite fragrances that I'd run out of. But also, I like a bit of coordination. I decided to pick up something to satisfy that coordination. I had a lot of spare time before my flight, which is a very dangerous thing, especially at Heathrow Airport. So I got a passport holder, actually. I have a lot of accessories from Louis Vuitton, like the makeup bag, my wallet, my agenda, and I really appreciate Louis Vuitton because it did start as like a luggage, you know, like trunk making company. Also, this is how much spare time I had. Don't know if you can see, but they actually stamped it with my initials on the passport holder, which I thought is quite nice. That little like personalization, I really love it. It has these sides where you can put a few more things. You can slot some cards in here. So yeah, I think that was just a nice little treat to myself. I'm gonna show you something which is honestly a game changer. And if you're anything like me, you're gonna love this. I don't think I've ever seen anyone talk about this, especially online, but this was a result of like late night Amazon scrolling. This is an air tag for your wallet. So basically, if you're anything like me, sometimes I lose my wallet, but not like outside of my house, mostly inside of my house. My card holder is probably like in a multitude of one of my handbags. So you basically connect this to your phone. It has a wireless thing and your phone automatically detects it and adds it to like your Find My Devices. And you can literally slot it in your card holder. So anytime you're looking for your wallet, you just use your phone to like beep your wallet and find it. I'm gonna link it in the description and on the screen. It's so good. I had to pick up some for like my boyfriend, my mom, literally everyone that I knew that would benefit from this item. So if it helps someone else too, then you got it. I have to tell you how extremely excited I am for this next item. Do you know what's so funny? My boyfriend came over one night and saw me in this and honestly was so scared, but I wouldn't blame him. This is one of the best gifts that I bought myself and I've been using it non-stop. This is the Dr. Dennis LED face mask. What this basically does, this is basically red light therapy, which is very beneficial for skincare. If you've heard of red light therapy face masks, you know that Dr. Dennis Gross is like the pioneer, like top of the food chain when it comes to LED face masks. It's one of the best face masks out there and it's pink and I love it. I have used this LED face mask non-stop for 3 weeks straight and I can honestly tell you, especially as someone who's had like acne and skin issues in the past, my pores feel ever so slightly minimized, but my skin feels so much tighter. Within like a week of using it, I can genuinely see results. It almost feels like I got Botox, but I've never got Botox before. I mean, yeah, definitely no Botox yet, but ask me again in like, I don't know, 20, 30 years. I've written a blog post. I'm gonna do like a dedicated beauty video on this product and many other like Dr. Dennis Gross products I'm using as well. I'm using the exfoliating pads, which are quite good. I'm also using the cream as well, the moisturizing cream. And I just can't wait to keep using this for like, I don't know, 6 months straight and seeing hopefully significant results because this took a significant chunk from my bank account. So I would definitely love to see a significant result. I love to put it on while I'm cooking, while I'm reading a book, maybe watching a movie. This year of 2026, I'm so intentional about taking care of myself in every single aspect, like internally and externally as well. This actually ties into my next video, which will be sort of like a 2026 glow up plan, like ins and out, that are truly gonna transform us as girls, like from health to beauty to finances to making plans and goals. In my next video, I'm gonna share ways to level up so hard that 2026 will be your year. So you're not gonna wanna miss that video. So do make sure you're subscribed. So I got something that I've been meaning to, and I actually picked this up in Dubai because it's a lot cheaper over there. Like there's no VAT. I got the new iPhone, I think it's 17 Pro. I also picked up this cute case as well at the Apple store. I got this suction sticky thing that you put on the back of your case to basically prop your phone up if you were getting ready in the bathroom and maybe you wanted to film like, I don't know, a TikTok or something, or maybe FaceTime. My previous phone is the, oh God, that's very dirty, isn't it? 14 Pro, and this is the 17 Pro. So Really excited for this. This is probably going to be my work phone or like my content phone. I do work a lot from my phone. I usually shoot like content here from my phone. I also shoot content as well for clients because I run a marketing agency. One of the services that I do for clients is social media marketing. So it'll be nice to shoot some content and edit on this phone because I believe the camera is supposed to be like way better. Okay, so we're losing light. Gosh, it's gone very grey in London, but I've got 2 more things I want to show you. Something that I'm really excited for. I got this 6-minute diary from Amazon. Now what this is a gratitude journal. I journal quite a lot. It's 3 minutes in the morning and 3 minutes in the evening. You have a section in the morning. This takes you about 3 minutes to fill in. And you have another 3 minutes in the evening. Now, if you're someone who doesn't really have the time to write a lot, I feel like this is just such a good journal. Sometimes when I journal, it depends. Like I can go on a tangent and write like 3 pages of how my day went. And I have days where I just write like a short paragraph. And I really like how each page has a beautiful like positive affirmation behind it, just to remind you to keep going, even though like we all have days where we feel so incredibly unmotivated. It's got really good affirmations like, I haven't failed, I've just found 1,000 ways that won't work. These monthly checks are also really good. 5 weekly questions, very good. Do you know what? I really love looking within myself. Like sometimes I always have these like random thoughts where I just think like, what is truly my purpose in life? Why do I feel like this? I'm very in tune with my emotions and why I feel a certain way I do about things. And I love to reflect on how I could have reacted to certain situations and how I can just generally improve myself. This is something I've probably built a lot, especially since I started my agency and I work with a lot of people. And I find myself always looking at the bigger picture of everything. My dad, who passed away like many years ago, used to tell me how it's very important to have assertiveness, but also like emotional intelligence at the same time when dealing with people, in the sense that you anticipate people's needs, but also you have boundaries at the same time. There are situations where he's told me things like never make a permanent decision when you're reeling from a loss. I'm just recalling so many things that my dad used to teach me, the importance of emotional regulation and never taking things personally, especially when working with people. Can't tell you how many times I've dealt with people, and you know, like in the industry that I work in, people are paying money for you to deliver on a service, right? And there are situations where people can be difficult to say, trying to solve the situation as calmly as possible and just seeing the bigger picture rather than like reacting to that situation. Another one that I really love is you don't rise to the level of your goals, you fail to the levels of your system. I will do a deeper dive into goals in my next video. Last but not least, I had one of those days where it was that time of the month and my stomach was really hurting. And I texted my boyfriend saying that my stomach really hurts. And would you believe he literally texted me, well, have you drank enough water today? And I hadn't drank enough water, actually. During that time of the month, we as women, we lose a lot of fluids and that sort of thing. I sometimes have moments where I'm so deeply focused in work or whatever I'm doing that I tend to forget to drink water. And so as a solution to a problem, my boyfriend was like, if I get you a Stanley cup, would you drink more water? And I was like, yeah, sure. And that is how I ended up getting the Stanley tumbler. So this is about 1.2 liters. So I normally do 2 of this every day, or maybe like 2.5. And yeah, I drink a lot more water thanks to this little cheeky gift. Also, that's quite cute actually, the little like matchy situation. I'm actually quite surprised how much more water I drink now with this. I fill it up and then it's just next to me while I work. Because it's right in front of me, I tend to reach for this more and drink a lot more water. So this is a very good gift for someone who needs to stay a lot more hydrated. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is everything that I got for Christmas. I wish you guys a fantastic start to the new year. I'm officially back from all my holidays this January, so I will definitely have a lot more videos for you guys coming out soon, so do stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.